Oh, there he is. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Here, let me fix your rope. Come on. See, now you're free. Come here. Come here. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, so loud. Oh, but I'm going this way. I'm going this way now. Ooh. I'm going this way now. I'm going this way now. What? What? We're going outside? It's raining out there though. Look at it. It's wet. Do you care if it's wet or not? Grab two of the same. Alright, Busa. Go pick it. Which one? Oh. Well, hello there. It has been a rainy day today, so I didn't really go for a long walk with the dog. It's kind of sad, but you know, it just really quick walks, making sure he goes bathroom and whatnot. But other than that, it has been indeed quite a productive day. I finished up quite a lot of my homework. I did more than I had to today, and I'm very proud of myself. I'm really happy. So, I actually did a bunch of I had a lot of free time today since I got ahead of my homework, and yeah, now I'm just doing this, and yeah, I'm just super bored. I want to do more of my homework, but I also don't want to do more of my homework. But then, you know, I want to use my free time, but then I'm like super tired, so I don't want to do anything for my free time. So I'm in the weird loop of I can do stuff, but I don't want to do stuff. So yeah, there's nothing crazy going on today, just chilling. But yeah, just hanging out with the dog. Nothing crazy. There he goes upstairs. You could hear Dad coughing in the background. But yeah, I definitely have things planned for later in the week. Nothing like too crazy, but my brother's birthday's coming up, and then I also forgot to do a monthly routine video for this month, so I have to do that sometime this week. So there's some good videos coming up, but today it is definitely just grind out my homework kind of day. So I did what I wanted to for my homework. Now I gotta just edit this video, and then I'm probably gonna go to sleep. We'll see. Yeah. Alright. Anyways, that's it. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.